Hey, what's up guys, Rox Gaming here, welcome to our video. In this video, I'm going to do a Photoshop tutorial. This is very new on my channel, but it'll hope to work. Let's get right into the video. So I'll be doing car videos more often now, so if you like that, smash the like button down below and subscribe. I'm going to show how to lower a car in Photoshop, like lower the suspension. Let's get right into the video. So I'm going to make the width 1280 and the height 720, just kind of like a thumbnail. And then I'm going to put this, an old Golf GTI. Now I'll show you how to lower the car. What you want is the polygonal lasso tool. And then all you want to do is go like this, and you want to draw like all around the edges of the car. Just like this. But one thing you don't want to do, don't go over the wheels. Just go like this and go right into the fenders, but not on the wheels, or it will mess up. Just like that. Just like that. Now you want to go straight up and just make a cube. And don't worry about the top. And then connect it. Then you'll want to go to edit and then copy. And then you want to do edit, paste. And see what that looks like? See, it looks normal now, right? Now all you do is you can use the up and down arrow, and look. Now the car is getting lowered. See? And now you have like a slammed Golf GTI. You can just make it like insanely slammed, or you can kind of raise it like that. So it looks pretty good just like that. So that is how you lower your car's suspension in Photoshop CC 2014 and pretty much any other Photoshops. If you want me to show you how to like change the rims on the car, change the tires, just change anything on the car, tell me in the comments below and I'll be sure to do it in the next video. Also, just tell me what things I should do on my channel, what you guys would want for me to do. So this has been Rox Gaming. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope for you to smash the like and subscribe button to never miss a video I upload. This has been Rox Gaming. I'll see you in the next video, and that is how you lower the car. Goodbye.